Welcome to the Markets Mindset. If you're serious about becoming a consistently profitable trader, one of the most important decisions you'll ever make is what market you learn on, not your strategy, not your indicators, the market itself. And in my experience, the S&P 500 futures is one of the best learning markets available, not because it's easy, but because it teaches you the right lessons. Let's break down why. ES is highly liquid, highly traded, and structurally clean. That matters. On ES, price respects session highs and lows, prior day levels, equal highs and lows, range boundaries, and liquidity sweeps. You can clearly see where price is trying to go, where traders are positioned, and where stops are likely sitting. This makes ES an excellent classroom for learning market structure and liquidity, instead of relying on indicators to tell you what already happened. Messy markets hide mistakes. ES exposes them, and that's a good thing. ES doesn't forgive sloppy behavior. If you chase breakouts, overtrade, trade emotionally, ignore timing, hold losers and revenge trade, ES will let you know immediately. That feedback loop is valuable. Markets that move slowly or inconsistently can hide poor habits. ES doesn't. It rewards discipline and punishes impatience fast. That's exactly what you want when you're learning. One of the hardest skills in trading is knowing when to be active and when to stand aside. ES makes this obvious. You quickly learn which hours matter, when volatility expands, when the market goes quiet, and when moves tend to complete. Over time, you stop trading randomly and start trading windows. That skill transfers to every other market you'll ever trade. ES reflects broad market sentiment. It reacts to economic data, market open and close, risk-on risk-off flows, and institutional positioning. Because of that, its behavior is repeatable. You see the same patterns: stop runs at key levels, fake breakouts, range rotations, trend days, and expansion days. Repetition builds intuition. And intuition is only built in markets that behave consistently. If you're wrong, you know quickly. If you're right, price usually moves away cleanly. That clarity helps you manage risk properly, place logical stops, define realistic targets, and evaluate your execution honestly. You're not guessing whether the market is thin or random. You're learning cause and effect. Another reason ES is ideal for learning is scalability. You can start with a micro. You can increase size gradually. You can keep the same setups and rules. The market doesn't change, only your exposure does. That allows you to focus on skill development, not constant adjustment. Many traders fail because they keep changing markets instead of improving execution. ES removes that distraction. Some traders avoid ES because they think it's too hard or too fast, but difficulty isn't the enemy. Confusion is. ES is fast, but it's logical, and logic is learnable. If you can trade ES with discipline, you can trade almost anything. Final thought: the best learning market isn't the one that makes you money quickly. It's the one that teaches you structure, timing, patience, discipline, and emotional control. ES does all of that. If your goal is long-term consistency, not short-term excitement, ES is one of the best teachers you'll ever have. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.